Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make a tasty banana chocolate chip muffins. Before we start to make the batter for these muffins, take the chocolate chips that we need for this recipe and then add about a teaspoon of all-purpose flour or maida and mix with these chocolate chips thoroughly. This will make sure that the chocolate chips are spread evenly throughout the muffins and it doesn't sink to the bottom of the muffins. Then take the all-purpose flour and add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a quarter teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder goes very well with any banana bakes. If you want, you can add this, otherwise leave it out. But if you add this, it will definitely enhance the flavor of this muffin. Mix all of these dry ingredients together and then preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. Now to start to make the batter, take 3 large, very ripe bananas. Make sure your bananas are nice and ripe. Peel the bananas and add it in the bowl. And with the help of a fork or a masher, just roughly mash up these bananas. It need not be very smooth, a lumpy mixture is okay. The more ripe your bananas are, the more tastier these muffins will be. So make sure you use nice and ripe ones. We need 2 eggs for this recipe. Make sure the eggs are at room temperature. Add a teaspoon of vanilla to these eggs and whisk these eggs well. I'm using a whisk. You can also use a hand blender to blend the eggs. Add these eggs to the mashed bananas and then add some oil. I've given all the ingredients list in the description box, you can check that out. Then add some sugar. I'm using powdered sugar here. Combine all of these wet ingredients together. I'm using a whisk. You may find a few lumps here and there. Those are lumps of banana and it's okay to have that. Now place a sieve over the bowl and add all the dry ingredients that we prepared earlier. Sieve all of these dry ingredients into the bowl. Combine the dry and the wet ingredients. Make sure you don't over mix the batter, just combine till it all comes together to make a smooth batter. Then finally add the chocolate chips and mix it in. I have used 1 cup of mini chocolate chips. If you're using the large ones, then use a little less than this. Take a muffin tray and line it with paper liners. Then fill these paper liners about halfway through. Leave some gap at the top so that there will be enough space for these muffins to rise well. Now these muffins are ready to be baked in the preheated oven. Bake these muffins for 20 to 22 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. Each oven is different. My oven took 20 minutes for these muffins to bake. Put a skewer or a knife inside these muffins. If it comes out clean, then it is done. Otherwise, bake for a little longer. Remove all of these muffins and then you can bake the second batch. So this is it, a very easy and simple banana chocolate chip muffins are done. These muffins are incredibly tasty, soft and moist muffins. And these chocolate chips that we added enhances the taste of these muffins. If you have overripe bananas that no one wants to eat at home, then instead of throwing it away, definitely try out these banana chocolate chip muffins. I'm sure you and your family will enjoy it. Until next time, bye bye.